So you want the back seats of your Dodge Ram pickup to actually fold down? Well, in this video, I'm gonna go step by step and show you exactly how to do that. Jumping right into it, pull the seat up and remove the storage lid by taking out the 6 size T20 screws. Then remove the entire seat by taking out these 4 18mm bolts. Then take these bolts and these screws and put them somewhere safe. Pull the seats out by folding them up, giving them a solid yank up towards the ceiling, then pulling them out. When you're pulling the seat out, you might notice the seatbelt holding you back a little bit, so make sure you undo the seatbelt and then it'll allow the latch to go all the way back around, allowing you to pull the seat all the way out. Now bring the seat over to a place where you have a little bit of room to work. Check out these hooks. This is what is holding the backrest to the cab. When you're trying to access those compartments under the back seat, the backrest shifts up and down on these latches. I think you can see where I'm trying to get at here. So let's get to cutting. You can use whatever you want to cut this little piece off. I went with a hacksaw for minimal mess and sparks. Then using this little plastic trim as your guide, cut a little piece off. And now let's go put the seat back in. Now we're gonna put the back seat in with those 4 18mm bolts, and don't forget that seatbelt bolt, followed by the 6 T20 screws. The seat's all in place. Now all I have to do is lift it about halfway up, push on the back, lower it, and now the hooks are hooking, and you can see the backrest doesn't move. When I want the backrest to come down, I lift on the bottom of the seat about halfway up, pull on the backrest, and it allows the whole backrest to fold down. And bada bing, bada boom, easy hack for you all. It allows your backrest to fold down. You can store a little bit more, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.